Meaning of imperturbability.
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 Imperturbability. Imperturbability refers to the quality or state of being calm and composed even in difficult or tense situations. It is the ability to remain unruffled and unflappable in the face of adversity or provocation. Individuals who possess this trait tend to have a level-headed and rational approach to problem solving, which allows them to make sound decisions under pressure. In short, imperturbability is a valuable characteristic that can help individuals maintain their composure and achieve success in challenging circumstances.